So we decided today that we just wanted to go on an adventure. So that's what we're here to talk to you guys about today. We're just vlogging a little bit on our road trip, on our little mini road trip for the day. Because, you know, sometimes the city life will get you down.
It'll get you down. You know, sometimes you just gotta get out in, like, you know, on the road. There's something therapeutic about being just, like, out on the road and, like, seeing just scenery and going somewhere you've never been before. And
yeah, I mean, and I think it just, like, helps you to have a greater appreciation for where you are and, you know, realize the cool stuff all around you. There's so many cool things. And sometimes you just gotta pick one and go.
Yeah. And, like, go right now. Like, you know, because Lorna, she told me about this place she wanted to go the other day, and, like, yesterday. And,
like less than 24 hours ago.
Like yesterday. Like, really late last night. And she was like, oh, this place is really cool. We should go sometime. And then I was, like, pondering it.
She, like, texted me at 2 a.m. and was like, we should go today.
Let's go.
So we did. So we just, you know, we woke up, we, you know, got ready really fast, and now we're on the road. So,
and what a beautiful road it is as well.
It is beautiful. I'll see if I can kind of turn you guys around. Hopefully you can see a little bit.
Right now we're just
kind of in trees. But we'll show you again later. How beautiful it is. Because it is beautiful. We live in a nice place. Not that we live here. This is kind of middle of nowhere. But
I hear this feels.
But we live in a nice place. So we'll show you guys where we're going when we get there. That's going to be in our next video. And yeah, the adventure begins.
Woo! There are, like, some YouTubers that I love who just, like, they just include these, like, amazing lives full of, like, adventure and going to country after country, and it's really cool. And like Fun for Louie, or, you know, other YouTubers like that. And but you can get so, like, down living just where you live in, like, a normal place and just being like, it's so boring here, nothing to do, but, you know, that's why I think it's just so good to just get out and do something you've never done before. It just makes you just appreciate where you are. And
we want to see your adventures.
Yes. Go take an adventure, because it made me feel so much better.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, so we'll show you when we get there where it is. Yeah. We know, but you guys don't know. Do you want to give them a hint?
Yes. Okay, so it's something circular.
Oh yeah.
And something old and new. And it's something
kind of borrowed, but not blue.
Boom. Run with
there you go. We're yeah. Also, just a quick apology for my camera work. It's not the best, but you don't come to Maddie and Lorna for that. You come to us.
Don't ever apologize for being yourself, Lorna.
Okay. All right.